guys, so I want to spend some time today talking about an amazing part of your body, which is the heart. So your heart is absolutely incredible. So did you guys know that your heart beats 100,000 times in a day? And your heart will pump blood through 60,000 miles of blood vessels, which is about 2.5 times around the earth, or 21.5 trips from New York to LA. So you guys are probably wondering what is behind me. So your heart will actually pump 7 gallons of blood in 5 minutes. So we have 111 cups set up behind us. This would be the equivalent of those 7 gallons. So if you can imagine, your heart will pump 32,000 cups in a day. So obviously we didn't have enough room to set all those cups up, but you have an idea kind of how powerful your heart really is. So Dr. Johnson is going to take some time now to talk to you about how you guys can take care of that amazing heart that you have.
Thanks, Alicia. It is absolutely incredible what your heart can do when it's healthy. But sadly in America, heart disease has become the leading cause of illness-related death in anyone. It's almost 1 in every other person now. But it does not have to be that way. And that's exactly why on Tuesday, August 21st at 6:30 p.m., we're having our Heart Strong workshop. And at this workshop, you'll be able to learn lifestyle changes that you can begin to implement. You'll learn the truth about high cholesterol and how that relates to heart disease, and you'll be able to take away some easy action steps you can begin to implement immediately that really do make a difference to reduce your risk. It'll make such a difference for your life and for your future, for you to be there and be around for your family. So make sure that you get signed up because seating will be limited. Again, this will be August 21st, Tuesday evening at 6:30 p.m. We look forward to seeing you there.